My name is Jonathan Newell. I moved to Naples about 3 years ago from Wisconsin. Unfortunately, I inherited a few chins from my father, and I always knew I would get that fixed eventually, but I just wanted to make sure it was the right doctor, the right staff, and the right timing was really big for me too. Why I chose Dr. Hayson was just based on, I'd met about 10 to 15 people who had worked on by Dr. Hayson at the hospital, at the health club, where I live in my community, and I saw the work that he did, and I just feel he's the best plastic surgeon I've ever seen. My procedure with Dr. Hayson was, I initially wanted to just get a neck lift, and we talked about that, and we decided that I needed a facelift, a neck lift. Had some brow work done, some fat injections because I had a big jowls here from my father. Thank him for that. And I wanted actually a little bit more, and he actually talked me down a little bit, and I think that was a big selling point for me. He wasn't trying to get me to do more than I wanted. He actually talked me down to get down a little bit less. I said I wanted 10 years knocked off my life, and that's exactly what he did, because I was in a bar the other day and somebody guessed my age at 38. I'm actually 48. So I kind of just grinned inside and said, wow, Dr. Hayson did the perfect job for me. Having the surgery suite inside Dr. Hayson's office was really key for me. Having everything done in-house, I was able to stay the night, have my own private nurse. I have a 4-year-old daughter at home, so I didn't have to have somebody come to my house and take care of me there. I was actually able to stay at his office overnight while somebody cared for me 24/7 and was there for every waking moment. Every time I woke up, they were there with ice chunks, what I need to help me walk around. It's just that personal care that you're not going to get anywhere else. I think what sets Dr. Hayson's office apart, I did go to a couple other doctors for consultations. Some of the other doctors were talking about me getting a little bit more work than I was comfortable with. And when you get a doctor that talks to you on what's going to be best for you and not make you look like your eyes are pulled back so far, and you see that around town. You'll see women that have had surgeries done, and it's just too much. And what I like about Dr. Hayson and his office staff is their honesty, and they guide you down the right path. And like a lot of businesses, you may not like what they say, but it's the truth, and that's more important than anything in this industry, is just being dealt with honestly.